2, 3. Are you ready for foaming volcano?
Yay!
Yay! Okay. Then here is the water. You can pour water there. Yeah, what is this?
Water spoon.
Yeah, water powder.
I see it.
Okay. Then where's your spoon? Where's the spoon?
What spoon?
Where's the spoon?
What's it?
Where's the spoon? Where's the blue spoon? Where's the blue spoon?
Up here. Open. Let's see. What's that? Oh. This is here.
Okay. 2 spoons of baking soda. 2 spoons. 1, 2. 2 spoons. No. This one. You have to take 2 spoons. 2 spoons. 2 spoons. 1. Next. 1 more. Yay! Good job.
Here we go.
Here we go. Then, okay. Stir it with this. Stir. Okay.
More
Then. Okay. Okay. Then 4 drops of red color. 4 drops of red color.
Okay.
4 drops. Okay.
Okay. I like also 4
Yes. 4 drops. 4 drops only.
Okay.
1,
2,
2,
3,
4.
Give me. Give you.
Give it to me. Give me that. Give me that. And also
Blue color.
4 spoons of citric acid. Okay. This is the citric acid.
Wow.
Open.
Open.
Okay. 4 spoons of citric acid. 4 spoons. 1, 2, 4 spoons. 4. 1, 2. One more spoon. 4 spoons of citric acid. Take 1 more.
Okay. Wow.
2, 3.
Wow, red color.
Wait for 4 spoons of citric acid. Okay. Then 2 spoons of 2 drops of. Wait.
Right?
Keep it here.
Wow.
Then 2 drops of liquid soap. 2 drops. 1, 2. Wow! What has happened? You like the foaming volcano?
Huh?
Foaming volcano? You like foaming volcano? Hey, no. Here you have to keep like this, then so that you can enjoy the foaming.
Pop.
Yeah.
Pop.